So why should you invest in Nabo, in the Nabo Money Market Fund? Why should you consider to invest in the Nabo Money Market Fund? My name is Pius Mushiri Mugo, the Managing Director of Nabo Capital. In the last video series, we spoke about how do you select the best money market fund for you. And I gave a criteria of 4 things. So I'm going to evaluate Nabo against the same 4 things, because we have to use the same measure or the same yardstick that we would want you to use on others. Number 1, we said you must choose a partner that you trust with your money. Nabo Capital is a 3rd generation investment firm with a long heritage that stretches to 1954, and I want to bother you with stories up to 1954. But we are 100% owned by Centum, and Centum is the largest listed private equity house in East and Central Africa. And over more than 50 years of investing, we have learned many lessons. Some have been painful and some have been joyful. And we bring all those experiences together to be able to generate wealth for our clients. And over that period of time, we've also had partners from all over the world where we have been their preferred local partners here. And we bring all this wealth of experience to our investment partners like yourself. The second criteria is profit. Will you profit from partnering with us? Since inception of our money market fund, almost 2 years ago, we have consistently generated returns above 9%. And we have ranked favorably against our peers every week, every month, every year since inception of the money market fund. So we are quite comfortable that we have the track record enough to generate reasonable returns for any reasonable investor. The third thing, or the third criteria, is potential. Is your money safe with us, or are we investing in safe instruments? The true test of any money market fund is liquidity. Can we be able to liquidate our investments very quickly if situation demands? And we have more than 70% of our investments in money market funds in government securities and cash equivalents. And the balance of that is in corporate debt securities, which are also very short-term and highly liquid. And we can say with confidence that we can be able to liquidate our entire portfolio within a matter of days. So that's the test. Those are the 3 things about the Nabo Money Market Fund. And the 4th one is about pricing. The pricing in the market is between 1% to 3%. We charge a fair price of 1.5%. When we began our money market fund, we were charging 2.25%, but interest rate environment has demanded that we do waive as part of our fees to our clients, and we gladly do so because our first point of satisfaction is when we meet our clients' expectations, and 1.5% is the prevailing fees on all our money market funds. So there you go. I've given you all information on Nabo money market funds, and you can evaluate us by yourself independently, or you could use a financial advisor to guide you and give you more information about Nabo Capital and its reputation in the market. But we are fairly confident that we are quite a good partner for anyone who wishes to invest in the money market fund. So thank you very much for listening to me, and please, if you're not one of our followers, click on that button, subscribe, and see you on the next video.